How to recover VK account? Let's get started. Launch your VK app. Here we go. Now type in your email address or phone number that is linked with your VK account. After you type in that, tap on the option of login. Now over here you will get this option of forget password or don't have one yet. Tap on this option. Now you will be receiving code in the email address that is linked with your VK account. You have to put that code over here. You can see that I have received mail from VK. You will also receive similar kind of mail. Copy this code and then paste it over here. After you enter the code, tap on the option of confirm. Now over here you're gonna find the profile. Make sure you have correctly selected the account you want to recover. Tap on this option. Yes, this is my account. In the case this is not your account, you can tap on the option of this isn't my account. Now generate new password for your account. In the case you want to sign out on all devices except the current one, you can toggle on for this option and then tap on the option of confirm. With that, you have just restored your VK account. So this is how you can restore your VK account. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.